You see, once I click on that paste, a column will be inserted. So this way it is cut paste, right? Cut paste. So I'll just resize it. In this video, we'll see how to work on the tables, some more few features. This is the table part 2 topic. Now, what are the topics I'll be covering? If you see the yellow color highlighted, how do we insert rows and columns? How do we cut, copy, paste rows and columns? And how do we delete rows, columns and table itself? So let us see that. If I'll scroll down, I've created a table here. I've written some data, employee ID, names, age, days and amount. Some data I've written here. Now the very first thing is if I want to insert a row and a column, anything. So I'll start. If I want to insert a row, how I can insert? It's simple. I can just click on this place. If I have a mouse, how I can do it? I can just click on this plus button. So if I click on the plus button, a row will be inserted between this A35 and A95. You observe here, I'll click on this plus sign. Yeah, so a row is inserted, blank row is inserted between those. Similarly, if I want to insert a row between this column heading and here, so I'll just click on this place and I'll click on this plus sign. So this way it can be inserted. If I do not want, I can just says undo. So it will be removed. So this is how you can insert a row. If you want to insert a row, insert a column. When you have a mouse, you can do the same way. You can just keep your cursor at this place like this using mouse, and you can just click on this plus sign. So you just move your mouse and you'll get that arrow key like this. You just move your mouse and you'll get that kind of arrow key here like this, and you can click on this plus sign. So if you do not want, you can just press Ctrl Z. If you want, you can bring it back itself. Now this was how you insert rows and columns. Now there's one more method using the menu bar, or you can see as the tabs. How do you insert? Simple method. I'll just keep my cursor in this names column. If I want to insert a column before this, insert a column before this column, I can go to this layout tab, and you see that is nothing but rows and columns. I want to insert above, below. I want to insert above and below. No, I want to insert on the left hand side. So I'll just click on this insert left. You observe what will happen. So insert left, a left column will be inserted. Similarly, if I keep my cursor here and if I want to insert a column on the right hand side, so I'll just click on this insert right. So you observe how it is done. So this is how you can insert a column on the left and right. Now you want to delete the empty columns. How you can do that? You can just select this way. So you can use your mouse and select, Control click. I have selected the entire column. You see, you have to use this mouse, this arrow key. When you get this down arrow key you can select these columns, and then if you want to delete, you see in the layout, in the layout you might find this option. Anyways, you can just keep your cursor. The other method, just keep your cursor, go to this delete, and you can select as delete columns. So if I click on this delete column, see what will happen. This column where my cursor was there got deleted. If I click on this place, select this delete columns, it went back, right? There's one more method. When you have a mouse, you can just select this way, entire column, right click, and you can see as cut, or you can see as delete columns. One and the same method, you can see as delete columns. So this way columns got deleted. Now similarly, if you want to delete rows, how you delete it? Similarly, I'll select this entire row like this. So I've selected entire row, and I can right click and delete this way. Right click, and I can see as delete rows, this method. So the row which is given here will be deleted. So this row got deleted. Other method is if you want to delete rows by this method, you can select that like this. So you just keep your cursor in this any cell number. You do not have to select, and then you can go to this delete, and you can see as delete rows. So this A28 will get deleted. So you see, delete rows, A28 got deleted. So this way you can insert columns. I've shown you how to insert columns before and after, how to delete rows and columns. There's one more thing. How do you insert rows, right? Suppose I have my cursor in A35. I want to insert a row above that. So you can use this option as insert above. So if I click on insert above, a row will be inserted here. I'll click on insert above. You see here. Similarly, if I keep my cursor at A35, I want to insert a row below that. So I can just click on this below option, right? So this is the method by which you can paste it, right? So our rows and columns can be inserted by the long cut and the shortcut method also. Let us see the next one. If I want to cut, copy and paste, how do I do that? So I'll first show you cut and paste, right? So how do I cut the first column, that is employee ID. I want to cut it and paste on the right hand side. So simple is like you have to first select the column here. You can select this column here. Then you can use the option in the home tab as cut, okay, or you can press Ctrl X, right, or else you can right click, any of the method. Either click on this place or press Ctrl X, or you can just right click. So I'll just use the mouse, right click, say as cut. So from here it has been cut and I want to paste it on the right hand side. So I'll just right click here and I'll say as paste. You see, once I click on that paste, a column will be inserted. So this way it is cut paste, right? Cut paste. So I'll just resize it. Okay, I'll just go to this layout tab and I'll say as distribute rows like this. Yeah, now it's better. So what I've done is I've cut and pasted on the right hand side. Similarly, if I want to copy paste, how do I do that? So I'll just select this column here, okay, right click on this column, okay, right click on this column and say as copy. And if you want to paste here, similarly, if you want to paste in this place, just right click and say as paste. So I'll just right click and say as paste column. So this way copy paste is done. You can see copy paste. Same applies for rows also. Rows you can cut, copy, paste similarly, right? So I hope you are able to understand. The last one I have left with, how do I delete the entire table? Deleting entire table is simple. You can just go to this layout tab, click on this delete, and you can see there's an option as delete table. So the entire table will go away. So I'll just click on this delete and the table gone away. So I hope you have understood how to work with inserting rows and columns, how to cut, copy, paste, and how to work with this delete rows, columns and entire table. So that's all for this video.